Everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Hena from Logan IT Inc. Today we're diving into how AI automation can transform your real estate agency. Let's walk through this game-changing workflow step by step. Ready to see how it all connects? Let's jump in. Picture this: leads are pouring in from everywhere. Your website, phone calls, emails. Overwhelming, right? Well, not anymore. Our system is on standby 24/7, ready to catch every single lead. As soon as a lead comes in, our automation system springs into action. It doesn't matter if it's a form submission, a phone call, or an email, our system grabs all the important info. No lead left behind. Now, here's where it gets cool. All that lead info, it's instantly zapped into your CRM. It's like having a super efficient assistant who never sleeps. But we're not stopping there. Enter ChatGPT, our AI superstar. It immediately starts analyzing the lead data in your CRM. It's looking at preferences, behavior patterns, and even the language used. Why? Because we're setting the stage for something amazing. Based on ChatGPT's analysis, we craft a response that feels like it was written just for them. Because, well, it was. This personalized touch of potential client feel valued right from the start, but we're not leaving it there. While the personalized message is on its way, our system is already planning ahead. It automatically schedules follow-ups based on the lead's profile. Hot lead, we're on it fast. Need some nurturing? We've got a plan for that too. Remember that AI analysis. It's pulling double duty. ChatGPT uses that info to play matchmaker, generating property recommendations tailored to each lead's preferences. It's like having a psychic real estate agent on your team. As we send out those personalized messages and property recommendations, our system keeps a close eye on hosting, opens, clicks, replies. We're tracking it all. Why? Because this info guides our next move. Based on the engagement data, our system makes smart decisions. High engagement will automatically schedule a property viewing. Not quite ready, will update their status and keep nurturing. It's always working even when you're not. For those leads that haven't quite bitten yet, we're not giving up. Our AI crafts clever re-engagement content using all the data we've gathered so far. It's like having a persistent but not annoying sales team that never gets discouraged. Now you might be wondering, sounds fancy, but what's in it for me? Let me break it down. One, this automation handles tasks that would normally eat up hours of your day. More time focus on what you do best, closing deals and growing your empire. Two, by nurturing leads more effectively, you're dramatically increasing your chances of conversion. More conversions means more commissions in your pocket. Three, this system ensures every lead gets the VIP treatment every single time. No more dropping the ball on potential gold mines. Four, as your business grows, this system grows with you. Handle 10x the leads without hiring 10x the staff. That's working smarter, not harder. Five, while you're sleeping, on vacation, or focusing on big picture stuff, this system is always on, always working. It's the employee of the month every month. At Logan IT Inc., we're not just about cool tech. We're about real results for real businesses like yours. We've seen agencies double their lead conversion rates / response times by 80% and watch their profits soar, all thanks to the power of smart automation. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Why not see for yourself? Want to see how this automation can transform your business from good to incredible? It's easy to get started. Just click the link in the description below to book a meeting with us. We'll show you exactly how we can tailor this system to your unique needs and get you on the fast track to real estate domination. Remember, in the world of real estate, the early bird gets the worm and the best properties. So why wait? Book that meeting now and let's start building your real estate empire together. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to get more useful videos like this and receive notifications for our updated videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.